By now, your preparations for participating at Farnborough, the world's most successful airshow, should be well underway. If you haven't done so already, you should have ordered all your services, booked your hotel accommodation, and submitted your stand designs. Check your Tasklist in your eNet account for deadlines. Remember, the deadline for chalet designs is the 4th of May, and it's the 18th of May for self-build stand designs. Remember to complete your trade catalogue and online exhibitor entry. Self-build stands should also have registered any stand sharers so that they can manage their own participation at the show. In a few months' time, thousands of visitors will be walking past your stand. The focus should now be on your stand presence. It's time to start registering the people that'll be working at the show with you. There are 2 ways to do this under the People Passes, Rooms and Tickets section of eNet. Option 1. Nominate an administrator who can register each person in your team. Remember, each pass requires photographic ID. Please make sure you have a passport-style photo already scanned to upload for the passes. If a person has been to the show before, use the passport function and simply update that person's details. Option 2. Send a link for your team to self-register. Simply add individual email addresses under the Email Requests tab, or you can download a spreadsheet from your eNet account that will allow you to bulk email your team. We recommend that you complete registration by the 31st of May so that we can prepare and dispatch your passes. If you register your people after this date, you can collect passes in person from the Exhibitor Pass office located at Gate A. As an exhibitor, you're entitled to a free allocation of visitor passes. Please use your allocation and invite your guests to attend the show. If you require car parking, you can purchase parking labels here. There are a number of locations to park your vehicle within the show site. Please refer to your exhibition regulations regarding the specific type of parking labels available. Remember, there's also a large, free off-site car park with regular shuttle services to and from the show. The Farnborough Airshow is the focus of the world's media and the ideal opportunity to make major announcements or to host a seminar or workshop. Why not book a conference room via your eNet account? There are 4 conference rooms located in Hall 1, named Innovate 1, Innovate 2, Lloyd and Navigate. Simply choose the date and time of your event and add it to your order. Please note that conference room bookings need to be paid for in advance via credit card. Look out for our next video detailing the final steps you'll need to take to manage your participation at the show.